All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know-It-All here. Tonight we're going to cover a coin called Coincierge coin. Their ticker is CCC. Today it's producing around 33 coins a day, which is a daily income of $170 a day. That's quite a significant amount of money. The volume is right around the 392,000 mark, which obviously is quite a lot of volume. This just got listed on CryptoBridge. So that gets the check mark for the exchange, gets a check mark for volume. Looks like they're producing around almost 3 Masternodes a day, so that's pretty good. Not too much coin inflation right now. Looks like pretty favorable on a chart right now. This is not financial advice, guys. This is just my opinion. Let's get into their Bitcoin talk thread here. Looks like they have a newbie member, which obviously does not get the check mark. They do have around 10 pages worth of content on their Bitcoin talk. Let's take a look at some of this. Sometimes there's like paid advertisement. I noticed that on some of these coins. So just be careful when going through the Bitcoin talk thread. I really use the Discord as more of a gauge because anyone can really pay. I just learned anyone can really pay a junior member or member, hero or legendary member to post their Bitcoin talk. Obviously, the higher ranking they are, obviously the more money they probably charge to list the coin. Keep that in mind. If they are paying somebody a lot of money to post something, it means they have a very good marketing budget, which, you know, could dictate that they have some marketing dollars. All right. Anyways, guys, let's get into the announcements here. Looks like they are posting something daily. Like I said, they're doing a lot of volume. So that's really the key factor when you trade is you want to look at the volume of the coins. They kind of give an ROI breakdown. I believe I went through this before on previous coins. So this coin looks like they give around 20% to the staker and 80% to the node, which is more favorable for a Masternode holder here. And looks like they increase the block reward. So that could definitely cause some price inflation down the road here. But right now it looks like it's not too much. So that's good. Anyways, let's look at the block explorer. Let's check this out. So yeah, it's a little bit high on coin distribution here. Looks like they've got around a pre-mine of 123,000 coins. Now let's check out their Bitcoin talk. Usually they give an idea of how much pre-mine they allocate for these types of projects. So their pre-mine is 200,000 coins. So looks like they have around 123,000 here. Looks like this was just sent to that wallet today. It's interesting. Anyways, I would be cautionary on the distribution here. You know, I'm not saying this coin is a scam. However, it could influence the price of the coin later on. If something goes wrong with the project, developers tend to dump coins. Not saying that any of the above is true here. I'm just going by what I look for in coins. So far, the only negative things I'm going to talk about here are the Bitcoin talk thread was done by a newbie member. The block explorer looks to be a little bit overextended with the top 25 wallets controlling about 67, almost 68% of the coin supply. Let's take a look at their website. They do have a white paper, so that's good. Let's take a look at that. Sorry. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I do this coin reviews for you guys. If you guys do have any comments or questions, please join my Discord. I answer as much as I can. I'm in there as often as I can be. So we're just waiting for the white paper to load here. As we're waiting for that, let's take a little bit more look at their website. Here we go. They don't have too much on their site. They have a little bit of a roadmap here. Marketing campaign, recruitment of additional staff members. Okay, so it looks like they're, taking the right steps to make this a adopted currency. This looks like the use of their coin is more so for debit cards, enabling transactions through debit cards. So kind of sounds like 10x type deal where they have a pay card or like debit card in this case. This is taking a long time to load. But so yeah, like I said before, as a form of payment, the roadmap kind of looks a little extensive. They have some good things in here. It's obviously not as detailed as I'd like it to be, but hey, I'm just giving a review of the coin. Yeah, so guys, make sure you check out their white paper. Make sure you check out what they're doing in Discord. Looks like they do give some good information about what's happening on the daily here. So I would like to rate this coin a 5 out of 10. I probably won't be purchasing this coin because I don't believe... Well, it's kind of out of my price range. $5,000 is a lot of money, guys. Don't kid yourself. But yeah, I'm not too favorable on this coin distribution. I'm not saying this coin's a scam. I just don't trust that. I think somebody has a lot of power there that can potentially destroy the coin. The coin's price, that is, not the actual project. The project may actually be viable. However, I'm not going to give this coin a great rating because they, don't have, well, first off, they have a newbie post, which isn't good. Second, their block explorer and the coin distribution isn't fair. However, the positives about this coin are the volume is really, really significant. And for trading purposes, maybe a short-term trade, guys, this isn't financial advice. I want you guys to remember that. You could get a nice pump from this coin if you do invest early, which you can still make money off. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thanks for choosing Mr. Know-It-All.